Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of February 2024 for all the Libra Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of February 2024 for all the Libra Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Libra ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house, and right now, Sun is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun will stay in your 4th house till 14th of February. After 14th of February, Sun will move to your 5th house in the sign of Aquarius, where 5th house Lord Saturn is already moving. 11th house will be your friend circle, your professional network circle, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes seen from 11th house, your incoming gains, gains of money, gains of respect, gains of anything is seen from 11th house in the form of bulk. Your elder